Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I am Majid, a 4th year MBBS student from Lucknow, India. In this video, we'll be talking about how to study for the first year MBBS Prof exam. I will be discussing with you all which books should you study for first year MBBS subjects like anatomy, physiology and biochemistry. First of all, congratulations to you all who have secured a spot in MBBS whether through a government college or private. To begin with, cherish yourself first and give time to yourself that you deserve. Most of you are among late teenage and yet have sacrificed most of your wishes and desires during NEET exam preparation phase, which is called post-NEET inertia. Once you enroll in MBBS, you can try out different things like art, music, dance or sports. Most medical colleges have clubs and societies which you must join to socialize with fellows who share common interests. Coming back to academics, do not forget the reason your parents have sent you to the med school and your all-time dream of becoming a successful doctor. To begin with, make a habit of reading books from the initial days of your first year. If you have not yet developed this habit, do it right now. It's never too late. One good method to create this habit is reading General Anatomy book by B.D. Chaurasia. It is a great book that serves as a bridge between basic anatomy of human body you learned in high school during the NEET preparation and the anatomy subject you will be learning in the first year of MBBS. This way, you can relate the content of the book, build basic fundamentals, and create a habit to read the book all at once. Apart from this, try your best not to miss classroom lectures, since most of the topics taught in the lecture are actually the important topics that have high potential to show up in your university exams. Also, many universities have strict attendance compliance criteria. Like in my university, it is mandatory for a student to have 75% attendance in theoretical and 80% attendance in practical individually in each subject to be eligible to sit for the final exam. That is insane. Now let us see the subjects of the first year in MBBS. It has 3 subjects mainly: anatomy, physiology and biochemistry. Anatomy further has 3 sub-subjects such as embryology, histology and osteology. Coming to the anatomy part, for this you can refer gold standard book which is Gray's Anatomy or standard textbook by Indian authors which is B.D. Chaurasia. This book has 4 parts. If you are not comfortable with the language of this book, you can go for Vishram Singh. This book is written in an easy to understand manner so you can grasp the subject easily. This book has an upper hand when it comes to diagrams. In this book, diagrams are easy to understand and draw rather than those of B.D. Chaurasia, which has a more realistic approaches to the diagram, so which makes it a bit difficult to understand and practice to draw. Histology is an important subject as it holds good amount of weightage for your first prof exam, and it also follows you into your second year of pathology. So to build your basics stronger, do not ignore histology as many other students do. For embryology, you can refer to the book by Inderbir Singh. Now coming to physiology, you must refer to gold standard book by Guyton and Hall. You must try to read this book at least once during your first year to build your concepts of physiology. Unlike anatomy, where you memorize the maximum content, here in physiology, you need to understand the concepts. The word physiology means scientific study of how living things function. So to study this subject, you must really understand how things are working in human body. What I would suggest is read the book line by line and then create a mind map of the points in a manner you best understand. You can also create a sequential flow chart to understand this process or any process that you study. This way you can have a complete picture of the content in your brain and you need not mug up everything. Coming to biochemistry part. For biochemistry, you must refer a gold standard book by Lippincott, or if not this, then any other 2 books by Indian authors. To understand biochemistry better, brush your memory with the organic chemistry you studied in grade 10th and 12th. In this subject, you need to focus mainly on various metabolic pathways of human body, their byproducts, end products, and the enzymes catalyzing these reactions. Study this subject in the same way as you would do for physiology, like creating flowcharts, mind maps and brainstorming all the points you have collected by reading it. Looking at the YouTube channels, you can subscribe to apart from subscribing this channel. You can subscribe this channel by hitting the button below. By following this methodology I explained, you can surely score great in your first prof. For those who want to just pass the first year MBBS with minimum resources and efforts, yes, it is possible, but I would not recommend this path to you. The books you must purchase for this path are following. These books have concise and point-wise notes of the standard book, which reduces the bulk of the material, hence making it easy to learn for the last moment of exam. You should build a healthy bond with your seniors as they have gone through the same phase as you are. So they know how things work in your college, what topics carries greater weightage and how to tackle a subject. Seniors are your second teachers in a medical college and best mentors. I hope you found this video useful and it adds some value to your academics as MBBS first year student. Comment down your queries or feedback, if any. I would be delighted to answer them. Thanks a lot. See you in the next video.